What is the answer to this question?
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Hey friends! Alright, here's today's puzzle to solve. Stay tuned to see what happens when you combine Sprunki Owaks and a scrubber. Friends, let's get started on today's craft. I'll sketch your name tag. Make a simple sketch to determine the shape and position. Hurry up! I'll decorate the Sprunki letters with rainbow colors. Use black marker to outline the text and emphasize it. Oh! I'll write my channel name too. Please love me lots. Now it's time to draw Oax in love. I put little hearts in those round eyes. How about it? Cute. Erase the pencil lines cleanly before coloring. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Color Oax quickly. Color the lightning bolt shape in yellow. Fill the entire background of the name tag with viridian color. I really like Oax with his unique and funny expressions. What Sprunki character do your friends like? Let me know in the comments. I only taped the front side. Cut out the picture with scissors and set it aside. I prepared a urethane scrubber. I took out a scrubber. Let's take a closer look at the scrubber. This urethane scrubber has large holes. It feels rough and fluffy to the touch. I'm going to draw a circle with this glass cup. Sketch the shape of the Oax head onto a scrubber. I'll cut and attach a piece of sponge here. Cut along the sketch lines with scissors. Use the cut pieces to complete the pointed head. I'll tidy up the edges for you. Ta-da! Let's open up this chewy slime that's all stretchy and squishy. Wow! Isn't that green color so refreshing? I should take a look at that slime. Oh, it's so chewy and springy. I'll combine the cut-up scrubber with the chewy slime. That won't do. I'll press it down firmly with all my strength. That way, it'll slide right through the holes. Once it's filled to a certain level, please put it in a plastic bag. Place it in a plastic bag and add more slime where needed. I'll put a picture tag on the vinyl entrance. I attach double-sided tape in advance. Please draw Oax's face with a black acrylic marker. Draw one black pupil large and the other small. Owax has a certain swagger that other characters just don't have. Color the eyes and mouth with a white marker pen. Since it is painted on vinyl, it needs to be dried thoroughly over time. If you touch it before it dries, it could be a disaster. Add dark circles under the eyes and a flustered mouth to finish it off. Wow, it's perfect! Now I'll play with my finished Owax squishy.
Oh no!
I'll pinch you just to see.
Oops!
How about this Owax sponge squishy that you just can't stop pressing and touching? You won't be able to put it down. If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned to see what we'll make next.
Oh no!
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Oh! Let's try solving this equation. Please look forward to seeing what happens when you combine Sprunki Garnold and a scrubber. Friends, let's get started on today's project. I'll draw it in my sketchbook. Make a simple sketch to determine the shape and position. Draw Sprunki Garnold with a black pen. Slay! Write Sprunki with a thick pen. When you write with a thin white acrylic pen, the contrast between the white and black colors and thickness emphasizes the letters. Use a thin black pen to clean up the black border. Draw a red heart and engrave the words LimeTube. Try drawing and engraving whatever message you want with your friends. Let's color Garnold. Let's listen to Garnold's voice. Oh, it sounds like an electronic piano. It's so nice to listen to. Friends, if you enjoy watching the video, please like and subscribe. Please try making one yourself. Let's have fun coloring! Carefully fill in all the background colors. I'll write the letters in a darker color. I only taped the front side. Cut out the picture with scissors and set it aside. I prepared a urethane scrubber. I took out a scrubber. It feels rough and sturdy. Let's take a closer look at the scrubber. This urethane scrubber has large holes. I'm going to draw a circle with this glass cup. Draw a circle that matches the maximum bottom size. Now it's time to cut it with scissors. Cut along the sketch line. Now let's round off the corners. It is best to clean up immediately after cutting everything. Let's open this slime farm that is said to be sticky and chewy. The yellow color reminds me of mangoes and bananas. Friends, are there any other yellow fruits? If so, please leave a comment. Oops! Combine the cut sponge and slime farm. Press down firmly so that it fits snugly into the holes. It may not work well at first. Please press it repeatedly with your finger. Put it in a plastic bag. I'll remove the air from the scrubber. Press down firmly on the envelope so that the slime is absorbed well. I'll put a picture tag on the vinyl entrance. I attach double-sided tape in advance. Remove the paper and secure it in place. Please draw Garnold's face with black acrylic marker. Since it is painted on vinyl, it needs to be dried thoroughly over time. If you touch it before it dries, it could be a disaster. Create sparkling accents with white acrylic pens. Now let's play with the finished Garnold squishy. How about Garnold squishy, which you'll want to press and touch over and over again? You won't be able to put it down. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like it. Stay tuned to see what we'll be making next.